In today's video, I'm going to be talking through how to approve a timesheet. So if you have Tempus timesheets and you are set up as a timesheet approver, you can review the work that was submitted, the actual time that was submitted, and choose whether to approve it, reject it, so on. In Tempus, you can view your pending timesheets, you can take action on those timesheets, you can leave comments, and you can also choose to make updates to a timesheet, like a single timesheet, or you can do this in bulk as well. Navigating into my Tempus environment, I am set up as a timesheet approver. With that, I can see this timesheet management tile, and I can also see that there is a 1 here. So that means that there is one pending timesheet for me to click into and take action on. If I click into timesheet management, this is the screen that I see. I have the ability to see these pending timesheets by period or by resource. So if you were to have multiple pending timesheets, you can choose what's the easiest way to group those. On the right-hand side, I can see, right now I'm in this timesheet manager approval tab. This will show me, again, everything that needs to be approved. I can also see my archived. So anything that I have already approved will be moved into this archived area, and you can reference back to if you would like to. Now you do have the ability to select a timesheet and go ahead and approve or reject and leave comments just within this screen. So if you don't want to get more granular than this, you can take action on it here. You also have the ability to click into the timesheet period and see more information. So in this case, I can see that my resource, Mia Perez, has submitted time to these 2 projects on these days, so on. You can toggle this between time, FTE percentage. You've got a few options here, so you can see this by period, so that would roll everything up, and you can also see a totals column pulled in as well. You do also have the ability to leave comments up here at the top. Now again, you have the ability to approve or reject this timesheet. If it is rejected, it will be rerouted to that timesheet user, and if it is approved, then it will just be marked as approved. That is the very basics of being a timesheet manager and approving timesheets within Tempus. If you have any additional questions, please let us know.